everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar General haul, mostly house products, so I thought some of you would be interested in that. A few of these are from their dollar deals, and I picked up the Powerhouse. This is the In-Wash Scent Booster in Lavender Burst. And this actually smells pretty good. I'm not crazy about the scent lavender. For $1 you get 12 ounces. That's more than the DollarTree. So that was a good find. I'm already familiar with the LA's Totally Awesome laundry detergents, but they had one in Rain Fresh, and it also had stain lifter. And I use another product in my wash for stain remover or stain lifter. So I decided I would try this, see how well it works, and whether or not we'll repurchase. It's 42 fluid ounces. It says it does 21 loads. For $1, you can't beat it. And I'll probably get at least 11 loads out of this for $1. This was not in the dollar area, although you can purchase this in much smaller sizes in the dollar area. The Ultra Palmolive Antibacterial dish soap, I've grown to really like this one, especially any of the Palmolives that are the Ultra one and or the Blueberry one as well. I love that one as well. This is 46 fluid ounces, and I paid $5 for this, and I have been buying in bulk. That's why I haven't seen a ton of household hauls, because I've been buying a lot of my items in bulk and in multiple numbers, so I can just not have to go out as much during the winter. This dish soap is fantastic. It's great. Highly recommend. Or this is a cleaner that I did get off of the dollar shelf, and it's the LA's Totally Awesome Bathroom Cleaner in the fresh scent. I've already used up 2 prior to this. Well, I'm on my second one using it up. This stuff performs really awesome, just like the name suggests. It's a bathroom cleaner, so it is good for soap, scum, mold, mildew remover. I just need this for basic cleaning the tub, soap, scum kind of thing. It works fantastic. I had it in the clear bottle of the bathroom cleaner. Now I'm gonna try this one out. It comes with a sprayer, and the LA's Totally Awesome cleaners are actually pretty nice for their just being $1. Definitely recommend this. You can find this at the DollarTree too, but it's $1.25, and I found this at Dollar General for $1, so better deal. It is 32 fluid ounces. Few other things from the dollar section at Dollar General. The Yardley London disposable washcloths. These are alcohol free and enriched with aloe vera, chamomile, and vitamin E. Are to clean, moisturize, soothe, and refresh the skin. You get 18 in here, but they are large. They're 12 by 8. They're non-flushable, obviously, and just every day, if you need to wipe your hands real quick. I think these are perfect for if you have small children. So I like these. I like the scent of these too. We've already tried them. They're nice. And I also found these deep cleansing hyaluronic acid essence, alcohol free, naturally inspired, pH balanced, hypoallergenic Yardley wipes. These are in a 25 count, but for $1 you can't beat it. I figured that I would grab these for these are just facial wipes, but grab them for a morning refresh or before bed refresh. Just wiping the face is what I mean. Swatches, anything surrounding the makeup area, table. So I grabbed these. And then I grabbed one other thing. I got the Soft Whisper, which I haven't had any Soft Whisper products in a long time. But this body wash says there is 50% more. Honestly, this looks like pretty much the normal size body wash that I see there. But for $1, 18 fluid ounces. And it's in the almond milk and lavender honey moisturizing body wash. I've used these body washes in the past. They're actually really nice and moisturizing and soft on the skin. The scent on this one is super nice. I love anything with the almond milk, and I was happy to find this. I can't wait to start using it. The Soft Whisper stuff, definitely don't sleep on it. It's good quality stuff for the price. The price is cheap and good quality though. I picked up a few more things from the Dollar General from at a different time. For $1, I picked up these Soft and Strong paper towels. Get 100 2-ply paper towels for $1. I picked up to try from their dollar aisle is the Powerhouse Bathroom Cleaner wipes, and these are quickly and easily cleaned the shower, tub, toilet, and sinks, and you get 35 for $1. I thought I would try these out and maybe do a review on these. Same with the next product, because if these work and work decent, then 35 for $1 is a really good deal. And then I picked up this extra in-wash color absorber, and mostly for Connor's school clothes. This is a bonus pack, so you get 12 in here, and these are dye absorbing sheets. So I'm curious to try these out and see if they work. I also picked up a package of paper plates for a 30 count of those. And I also got a couple more cleaning items. I got the Good and Clean Disinfectant Wipes, and this is a 36 count wipe, and this is actually still a better deal than the DollarTree. If I'm not mistaken, the DollarTree has them in 25 like cylinder packaging. These, there's 36 for $1, so you can't beat that deal. And then also I found this to be a better deal than some of the other antibacterial sprays that you can find at Dollar Tree. And this says it's 106% more, and it is a 33 fluid ounce antibacterial disinfectant multi-purpose cleaner. And I got this for the kitchen, and it's Pine Glow. It comes with a spray bottle, and I like the scent of this over, they had a lavender one, so I picked up this one. The antibacterial cleaner that I typically pick up from the Dollar Tree is 16 fluid ounces. They had this one there as well for $1, which still would have been a better deal than the Dollar Tree, but 33 fluid ounces is a much better deal for what it's going to do the same thing in the kitchen as this. And that is everything that I got at the Dollar General. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Remember to like the video, comment, and subscribe.